It's a nice little Sunday afternoon walk. Almost too nice. For being early February, it should be cooler and we should be seeing more rain. Now, granted, we got a lot of rain and snow in December, but we just had like the driest January ever. And February isn't looking too good. Nah, I tell you what, December really teased us. We thought we were going to have a much better snow season. It's been actually kind of crappy this year, to be honest. But you know, still alive, still breathing, still got a camera, still getting out and trying to enjoy life, you know? I got some woodpecker action up in that tree. Nothing too exciting. It's about the most exciting thing that's happened all afternoon, but you know what? I'll take it. Well, that view might work. I should probably get a little bit closer to the water's surface. Trying to avoid getting too much of the shore. The sun is setting soon. My light's going to be gone very soon. And the only thing I have is a few more woodpeckers, so I guess why not? You know, the one advancement in technology that I've really appreciated is the improvement in photo and video quality for smartphones. For a long time, I used to use a multicam vest for carrying 2 or more cameras around. And of course I had extra lenses. And now smartphones, even GoPros, are taking such good photos. It's not necessary for me anymore to carry all this extra gear for wide angle shots. I get most of what I need off a smartphone. That's pretty awesome. Especially as I get older and my knees don't want to carry as much weight. There's a couple things that the smartphone and GoPro don't do well. One is long exposures. Smartphone does that okay, but it's not that great. And the second is starbursts, because you can't stop down the aperture. Now you can get these filters that kind of cheat the effect, but I don't like the result of those filters. I think it's kind of corny. I would just rather do it the true way. Have a real lens, stop down the aperture to f/16. That's the way to do it right there. But otherwise, I'm really happy just carrying around a cell phone as my second camera.